Hello everybody, today is 21 of February 2017. Is coming the snow again, a lot of snow. So it's really cold. I am on the way to Pupu, and I wake up and I see this so much snow. So like this, very become like a dirty when it's the snow smelting. So that is the snow, white. The flower become a snow, become ice. So it's really sad. It's beautiful, but it's dirty. So cold. See, it become like a Christmas tree. The tree, so beautiful. Look. Oh my God, the tree, the big tree. Look. Oh my God, it's too much ice. That's crazy, especially the one is downstairs. That one is flower, it become ice. Ooh. Look there, the place become so beautiful. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Oh, jeez. The car. Yeah, this is the one when it's smelting. But they have someone to take care of that, you know, it's a machine. Yeah. So that one is crazy. See people walking with dogs. They become like this, become dirty. Like that, when the snow smelt. It's too much. So that is snow. Yeah, and I have a wrong shoes. So I will show you what is the best shoes for the winter. So we're gonna look to the shop or second-hand shop. Okay, let's go. So we'll show you what is the best for the snow shoes. Like that one, the black one is good for winter, and this one is good for the children. It's 50 crowns. So let's go to the second-hand shop. So we look. Hey. We look if we find something. I went here before. I show you in my own video for other video. We look. This one is also good for the winter, like this. Not this one. This one, it's okay. Yeah. I look the price. This one also is good for the winter. Try this. This one is good. I try to work with too. This one is good. Look, because of this one here, and then because of this one. This one is good for winter, and also it's very cheap. It's 50 crowns only. So now I find my shoes. I think so. So we buy this one. So the one we're gonna wear for winter is good for now, for my budget. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.